The next part, which is one of the very important part of being a developer, is to not forget to leave some comments in your code in order for other programmers and developers to understand your code. So later, when we're going to write a very long code, we need to also make other developers and coders understand what we've written. So in order to do that, we're going to leave some comments. So right here, for example, I'm going to show you how you can write the comments. So in order to use comments, write comments in Python, you need to first write the hashtag, and then you can write, for example, this is my comment on this code. So because this is a very simple code, there is no need for any comments. But for example, if there is a longer code, for example, if you have a function, so that you need to explain the function and you want to make things easier for other developers to understand, you need to first write the comment before the function or after the function and tell them what the function is going to do. So you can write it better on the before the if. For example, here our if statement allows writing hello world only if the name equals Muhammad, and so I'm going to explain it like this. It is going to print hello world if the name equals Muhammad. Okay, let's save this, and if you run this code, there's going to be no difference because the compiler is not going to read this part because it's a comment. So once you write hashtag before whatever you want to write as a comment, the compiler will not understand it. So in order to run the code one more time, and notice that if you're on VS Code or any other console command prompt, you can simply press the upper button in order to in order to bring you the latest command that you've written, and you can simply press enter in order to run it. And here, as you can see, it doesn't throw any error or do anything related to this command here. So that's it. Okay, so this is it for comments, and in the next part we're going to explain the other parts related to Python programming language, and that's it.